Well, hello, it's Miss Gina, and it's story time. Early Bird by Tony Yulee. Early Bird likes to wake up early. Early Bird likes to wake up early. There's Early Bird. She stands as tall as she can. She stands as tall as she can. There's Early Bird. Takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. There she is. Fresh morning air. And then Early Bird gets going. And then Early Bird gets going. And then Early Bird gets going. Across the grass. Across the grass. Through the flower bed. Through the flower bed. Under the spider web. Under the spider web. Up the path. Up the path. Up the path. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Up, up, up the path. Around the corner. Around the corner. Around the corner. And over the cat. And over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Early Bird catches the worm, huh? The early worm. There's Early Bird. There's the early worm. The book is called Early Bird. Early Bird catches the worm. There's the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. Oh, isn't that nice? Early Bird is sharing her breakfast with the early worm. She did not eat the worm. So Early Bird and early worm had a strawberry breakfast. That's wonderful. And it's just beautiful out here today. I read this today from the Colonnade. And I'm Miss Gina. You're at Gina's Planet. And I'm so glad you were here. And always remember, Miss Gina loves you. And read more in 2025 to keep your big, beautiful brains alive. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.